Hi there, it's Master Wong here. It's another beautiful day again today. It's day number 5 onto the 7-day challenge. How are you doing today? Are you feeling good? Are you feeling exciting every day you wake up and you get exciting? Because if you don't get exciting about yourself, no one will be exciting about you. And this is why I'm here to helping you, to motivate you, to get you moving. As you practice through the Tai Chi, you will find sometimes little bit difficult because your body don't want to do the way you want it to do, okay? Because when you're doing the movement very basic like this, it's helping you to learn to know about you, okay? If you don't spend time to know about you, then who you think they're going to know about you? No one. So this is why you spend time on yourself. Don't force yourself. Let it be. Let everything go and get nice and relaxed on your body by concentrate on breathing. Deep breathing in. Nicely breathing out. Deep breathing in and then nicely breathing out. One more for good measure. And then down. Make sure not shadow breathing, but deep breathing. Breathing in, deep, okay? And then belly out, empty. Belly empty. And that's what is it? Nice oxygen. As you're breathing, fill up this in, you will see certainly you can feel a lot. You can feel a lot more better. As you know, the world we live in at the moment is everything it pour over our eye, cover our eye with everything. So you won't see very clearly. And because you don't spend enough time training and have enough oxygen into your body, your mind is not working very well. Your body is not working very well. That's why the way you move, you don't move very well. You move over here, your ache and pain, your knees start cracking. You can't control the weight. You can't move properly. You can't doing this kind of movement. You can't doing that kind of movement because your body, it don't let you, it don't loosen up. And this is why you need to give your body the chance to spend some time on it and got to relax. Don't think too much. Nowadays, people have a lot of fear, anxiety. While you have a lot of fear, anxiety, your body crunch up like this, okay? And then you don't want to move. That's stiff like the boat, you know. You got to be nice and loose, okay? Relax. Everything relax and loose and let go. Then your body will flow a lot more better. As you go through this movement, okay, as you are practice all this basic stuff here, it will helping you to learn about life. Something you like and something you dislike about things. And this is what the training is. It's helping you to ground it. It's helping you to have some energy so you can able to do the thing you love. As you practice this movement, okay, as you going to do them, like I mentioned before, every day and every minute of the day as you practice. You don't like someone, you just push them out of the way. If you like them, bring them into your life. And if you don't like them, get rid of them. And that's it. Tai Chi is all about learning and taking and giving. And as you every day you get negative, like I mentioned to throughout the 7 days, I'm here to motivate you, to helping you. You're forcing all the negative energy down like this. And make sure you bury them down here, okay? And make it look very pretty and make your day beautiful. And that's what it's all about, because life is all about daily increase of happiness. If you're happy about things in life, everything else around you is just beautiful. If you're not very happy at all in life, nothing around you is beautiful. Everything you see in every minute of the day, it will be chaos and ugliness. So when you go through this challenge and helping you to get yourself grounded, negative energy, force them down there and bury them, okay? And that's what is it. 2022, you will have a lot of things going on. So this is why you're grounded and have some discipline. If you haven't started the 7-day challenge yet, underneath this video here, then you can go on our website and then you can start to doing a 7-day challenge. All our challenge is come out of our training program. So when it's finished, you can start the full training program, or you have the chance to winning the training program as you go through the challenge. Okay, Master Wong here, and I'll see you tomorrow.